Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. Today I want to show you how I make my oven baked naan. Again guys, it is really simple and easy. We don't need much of ingredient. We need all-purpose flour, we need some full cream liquid milk, melted butter unsalted, some kaloonj seeds, or you can call this onion seeds, sugar, instant yeast, and salt. That's all we need. We just need a little bit more of the melted butter later to brush, and little bit of more milk to brush as well. So my milk is at temperature. It is warm temperature. It's about 110 Fahrenheit. To that, first thing you're gonna do is add the yeast and the sugar. Stir it, and then we're just gonna leave this on a side, just on the table, just like that, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see it's been only 6 minutes. Over here it's a little bit warm, and you can see the texture of the yeast. If you move the bowl, you can see the differences. And this is going to go in my, I'm using a stand mixer. You can obviously do this by hand. I already add my salt to my flour, and now I'm gonna add the yeast, melted butter, and now I'm gonna start on the low setting first for about 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. And that took me 10 minutes by the machine. If you have to do this by hand, probably a little bit more. So let's try to get this out. Lots of dry flour on your counter. And then put all of this over here. And then all we're gonna do is just, for like a minute or two, just try to put them together. Okay, so that is looking good, and I'm gonna bring my bowl back, and this flour is going to go back inside, and then I'm just gonna brush the top with some melted butter, and then all I'm gonna do is just cover, let it sit in a warm place in the kitchen. And it's gonna take about 45 minutes, an hour, could be 2 hours, or until you see the dough has been double in size. You know your dough is ready, and then we're gonna start making the naan. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. Look at my dough, has been risen nicely, and it is double in size. Just put some dry flour on your kitchen counter, and then punch down the dough just like so. And then you also want to put some dry flour on top. It's not sticky, but you need some dry flour. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna divide the dough into 4 pieces, 4 equal pieces. I'm gonna try my best to make it equal, just like so. Okay, I have my tray as well over here, and I line this with parchment paper. Now I'm gonna start rolling this. First, you're gonna just create the balls, just like so. And my oven is preheating 425 Fahrenheit as well, just like so, and just leave them on a side and do the rest. Okay, so that is done, and now let's start rolling this. Again, some dry flour as well on top of the naan, and then just roll it. All right, this is my last one. Now I am rolling this into a shape like oval shape because my tray will fit 4 at once. You can definitely shape this, roll this into just a round shape as well. It's not an issue. Okay, and now this is going to go on my tray as well, and then the rolling part is done. And now just take a fork and then create some holes, like a lot of holes, just like so. Brush with milk. Make sure to brush it everywhere, also the edges. Spread some kaloonj seeds or onion seeds. Okay, this is ready to go in the oven, preheated 425, and I will see you right after this is done. My naan is out from the oven. I'm so excited right now. All you have to do, just brush with butter. The naan is hot, so I didn't melt the butter. You can obviously melt the butter to make your life easy. Just like that. And then after brushing this, I'm going to let it cool a little bit. Cut them into, the one naan, I'm going to cut them into 4 pieces. And then my basket is right here, which is perfect for naan, for any kind of bread as well. I'm just so excited right now. Guys, so everything is really hot right now. I'm just going to bring one here, and I want to cut this and then show you the inside. Look at the naan inside, guys. Look at how fluffy this is. It's very hot right now. Hope you enjoy this video with me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.